What's up, guys? Today we are going to do a packing video. You've got me today. Antonio's not here because he finds these videos super boring. So yeah, we're going to be off to Vietnam in a few days, and I thought I'd just show you what we have in the suitcase. So I absolutely love packing cubes. These are the best things. So I've already packed this, but tell you what I have in here. I have some winter stuff because we will be traveling the north of Vietnam, and I'm told it is a bit cold up there. It's so difficult when you travel to one country and it's got different weathers in different places. So I've got some leggings and stuff in here, some t-shirts. I have a few dresses in here. What I do have as well is this. So this is a smelly bags for your dirty underwears and socks and stuff. But I've actually stuffed it with clean underwear and socks. It's super compact. I mean, it's got about 5 pairs of socks and like 8 pairs of knickers. So that's really handy. See, all of this fits in the packing cube, which is so good. Right, so that will be going in this section of my suitcase. Also, I'm using the It luggage. I mean, these are the best luggages to use. They're super sturdy. I've had this one for about 5 years now, and it has not let me down. It's still in pretty good condition. So my second packing cube has got all my toiletries in here. So it's got shampoo, conditioner. I could have bought it whilst I was there, but because I've got bleached hair, it's really hard to find the correct shampoo and conditioner for my hair, so I'm just going to take what I have. I do have 100ml bottles, but I'm not taking my bag as hand luggage. I will be checking it in because I just want the comfort of not having to carry it around. I was also going to use a backpack, but I thought, you know what, I don't want to be carrying something around my back. Backpack's basically the same size as me, so yeah, I will be using this suitcase. So that's what's in here. It's got some hairbands, it's got some wipes, it's got my shaving set. So all the toiletries I need in there. For my summer stuff, I've got this bag. Not sure where I got it from, but this has got all my summer stuff. I've got 2 pairs of shorts in here. I've got some little small tops. I've got 1 pair of trousers in here, long trousers, and that's about it in here. So that will be going in this section, along with some slippers. These are like my flip-flops for the pool and stuff. I have got some open water shoes because I've had very bad experience in open water with my feet. I've cut the bottom of my feet a few times, but what I use these for is to put my bikinis in it. So as you can tell, I've already got 1 pair in there and 1 pair in this one. They can be folded really small, so like they're super compact to pack and just roll up and pack in a bag, but I just stick them in like this because I've got the space. And these are going to be my everyday slippers. I bought these in Thailand. I've used them once. They're super comfortable, so hopefully they last. We'll test them out on this trip. That can go there. Yes, I am taking my own goggles. I know it's not practical, but every time I've gone on a tour and I've used like other goggles, they're never really comfortable on my head. So I just thought, you know what, I've got the space, might as well make use of it. So that goes in there. I am taking 2 jackets. Yes, there is 2 jackets. I've got a white one, so which is my North Face one, and I've got a Tommy Hilfiger one. I can actually just take 1, but I wanted 2, so I'm just going to stick it in there. Towels. Right, I'm using the microfiber towels from Decathlon. I've got the medium size one. They do have small, medium and large. So obviously you can get whichever one suits your body or whatever. But yeah, and I've got the microfiber towel for your hair. I can put the link in the description below for these towels. I did go and order an extra bikini when I think I'll just be needing 2, but I couldn't resist, so I bought a new bikini. These are from Pretty Little Things. and I'll just chuck them into one of the packing cubes because I think I've got some space. I'm going to take a shawl just to be on the safe side, because when you go to some temples in Southeast Asia, you can't show your shoulders and stuff. So I'm just going to take one of these. I did buy this one in Thailand and I haven't opened it. So yeah, my hair straighteners. I am definitely taking my hair straighteners. It's a mini one. It's Tresemme. And it doesn't take up much space. So we are done with the suitcase, and that is literally all I'm taking to Southeast Asia. And then we can move on to my backpack. I've got this backpack, ordered it off Amazon. I can put a link in the description below for this. So it's got these flaps, which I absolutely love because it protects all your stuff, like from being easily accessible to, you know, thieves. Show you what it looks like inside. It looks like that inside. We have a space for the laptop, which isn't in here right now. It's on charge. We've got a charger port. So as you can tell, the wire comes out here. You can put your phone in here, like this. Pop it on charge and stick it in the pocket, which is really, really handy. And the charger port stays inside the bag. It's my smaller packing cube, which has all my electrics in it, wires, chargers, everything. Portable chargers. So that will be going in my bag. Also, my GoPro. I know the GoPro 11 is out, but I haven't been able to get my hands on one yet. So hopefully when I get back, maybe I might get one. But I have got the GoPro 8 in here. I decided to bring along my Instax. I thought it'd be cool to just get some Instax photos. And yeah, so, and there is the GoPro strap in here. So that's what's in this case. I do have a first aid kit. Reason being is because we are doing the Hajang loop and I do not want to be left stranded with no sorts of first aid. All my medicines in here. Open it up, show you. So just all the essentials, paracetamol, some other tablets, some bandages, just in case. When you're going on like spontaneous adventurous trips like this, I think it's always good to have a first aid kit on hand. So that will be going in here. These are some personal extras that I have. Is just this is a mask for when you're on a motorbike, so the wind's not blowing directly into your face. So this will be going. I've got some gloves because it's meant to be a bit cold. I am taking a pillowcase. This is the most extra thing anyone can take. But yes, I am taking a pillowcase because we have some overnight travels on the buses. And I mean long overnight travels. And I just thought I didn't want to put my face down on things that's dirty, because I have seen some reviews where the buses are really dirty. So I am taking my own pillowcase so I can put my face down. Right, in this pocket is the most essential things. International driver's license, passports, 2 of them, and my money, which I carry in this pouch. I mean, this pouch, you can easily put this under your top and it will not be noticeable to the public. This always has my money and a bank card. I could probably fit my phone in here as well. This little zip pocket down here has my face mask, eye mask, some earplugs, and a hand sanitizer gel. My glasses is here. And yes, the straps are very padded, so it's quite comfortable. And that is it, guys. That is all I am taking to Vietnam for 3 weeks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment and subscribe. I mean, if you want to see Antonio's bag and what he's got in his backpack, comment below and we'll see if we can sort out a video.